Hi everyone, this is Rajesh Karan. We will see my project IPL 2021 web app. Here we will see my project functionality and project working model. In my web page is displayed all the teams in the IPL. All teams in IPL, it shows like a card. This card look like a different model and different functionality, different styles. This cards each has a different styles in background, but same functionality in this cards. All teams have separate all teams has a separate cards. If we click the card, this card redirects to the team page. The team page contains all the details of the team players. The team players, all the name list of the team players it has. If we click the team players name, we will show we will see the information of the team players. We will see the information of the team players, date of birth, players name, and etc. In we will see the players information in that team page. That the team card has been added. If you want to come to the home page, you can click the home button. If you want to create your own team, you can use this functionality. If you enter your team name and enter your logo URL and click create team, you can create your own team card. This is the function of the team card creation. This is the total problem description of this project. Now we will see the project demo. By the use of this link, we can use my web pages. This is my web page. It contains all the IPL teams card. Totally 8 teams are there. All IPL team card. If you click this card, it will redirect to this team page. Example, I show you. Example, I click the Royal Challengers Bangalore team. I click this card. It will redirect me to the Royal Challengers Bangalore team page. This team page contains all the players of this team. In this table, we can see all the team players in this table. This is the players information box. If you want to know the information about the players, click the player's name. By clicking of the player's name, you can see the information of the player. By clicking player name, I can see the player name, date of birth, short name, nationality, bowling, batting. This is the information of this player. We can see all about it in the grid box of this page. We can access any players. If you want to go to home page, click home button. It will redirect to the home page. All the team cards has like that. If we click the team card, it will redirect to the team page. This is the all team pages look like that. Pick the player and it will show the team players list. All cards are same like that. Clicking cards and TS on it. This is the basic functionality of the team page card clicking. Yes, informations all in the pages. Now we will go to the creation of your own team card. If you want to create your own team card, use this functionality. Enter your team name, enter your URL. And create team. It create your team card. You can create any team card as usual. The team name and team URL. By creating a team, you can create your own team card. Your team card will be added in the IPL team card list. If you want to delete your team card, then you can click delete your teams. Clicking of delete your teams, you can delete your all team cards. Now your team card will be deleted. You can see the old IPL team cards. Your team cards will be deleted. Now we will see the coding functionalities and creation of this app. This is my code of my web page. Index.html. This is my HTML code of my home page. Each team card has separate HTML pages and separate JavaScript pages. Separate JavaScript pages has some separate functionalities. In index.html page, it will show you the team cards, all team cards in home page. This is JavaScript page of home page. I created this API. This API contained the all teams name, all teams logo link, all teams ID, and all teams redirect URL. This API contains all the details about the all teams. By the using of this API, we can create our card and redirect to the next page. By this function, we can create our card. Teaming function, we can create image tag and all functionalities. We can append the cards into the home page. This is the function of the creation of home page. This team logo.on click function. This function is redirect function. If you click that logo, it will redirect to the next page. This URL contains the redirect page of the link. Now see the button click. This function is creation of your own card. Input that value. This value is your name of the card. Input to value. This value is the URL of this card. By the use of this function, we can create your own card. By this function, you can store your URL and input value in local storage. We can use here data as the key. By local storage, we can store it as well. If you refresh the space, the data are still there. This is the refreshing. After refreshing, the data are still here. This is the function of this. We can see the input value. In HTML form, we create the form. Here we collect the inputs. We can use the inputs here. Now we will see the each team pages. Example, if CSK has its own team page and its own JavaScript functionality page. Each team has separate HTML file and separate JavaScript files. This is easy to handle. After redirecting functionality, we can redirect to this pages. Now we see the creation of the team card. In team card, we have our own API. That API contains the player's name, player short name, player nationality, player's date of birth, player bowling style, and player batting style. These information all contains in the in that API. But by the using of this API, we create the team page. In the team page, we create the table. In the table, we create the table by the use of this functionality. This functionality using of table. By API, we can append the table data by the use of our API. Our API contain name, date of birth, short name, nationality, bowling. These are our API data. We can collect our data from the API and append into the team page. Each team has same like as that. Each team has separated HTML file and JavaScript file. The function is same, but different files and different HTML files and different JavaScript files. But function are there. Function is same is there. Creation of card and creation of table and append the list. By clicking of the name, the sidebar function will be executed. This sidebar function after executed, we can store the player data and the player data but player short name in the right side of the grid card, and it will be shown in the team page. In my project, I use only one CSS file. This CSS in my project in CSS file, it imported the all HTML and all JavaScript files. So I only use one CSS file. This CSS file contains the all classes and all styles of the total of this project. This is easy to handle. Each team has separated APIs. I get this API from this website. I get this API from iplT2D.com website. From this website, I get this API. In this API, it will contain all the details about the players. It has the full name and short name and nationality, all the details of the player. By the use of this API, I created the player table and player information grid card. Now we see the importing code and hosting the code in web pages. This is my total code. I imported all the codes in GitHub repository. This is my all codes. I host this web page by the use of Glitch. My Glitch account is already connected to the GitHub. In Glitch, we can host our web pages. We can see our live suite of web pages link here. Copy this link and paste it here. This is the live site of our web page. Finally, we see our web page functionality finally once again. Like in website, we can see the all IPL team cards as well, and click the card and see the player information. This is the card functionality and creation of team names. Enter your own team name and logo URL and create team. Create team button. It will create you the our own team. You can create the n number of team card here. By delete your team, this function, you can delete your all team cards. And as usual, you see your already cards, not your own cards. Here is our total project. Now we will do our all project by using of the JavaScript DOM. What is DOM? DOM is the document object model. When web page is loaded, the browser is created the document object model. HTML DOM is constructed a tree object. By use of JavaScript model, we can create the HTML tags and the CSS styles by use of the DOM. It stands at the accessing the 22 documents. The HTML DOM is standard object model of programming language of HTML. It defines the HTML elements as object. The properties of all HTML defines the methods to access the all HTML, the events for HTML elements. We can create the odd or delete elements by using of the DOM. By the use of DOM, you can create or delete element in HTML. This is all about the DOM. Now, totally a project is completed. This is our project. The web page contains all the details of IAPL teams by the code, and it will create your own team code. This is the main purpose of our team project. This is our project. Thank you for watching our project. This is Rajesh Kannan from Coimbatore. Thank you. Thank you for